Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how you can easily add your current temperature on Snapchat. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin, and first open up Snapchat. Then you can take a picture just like that, and once you did that you are able to hit right here at that stickers icon that shows you a lot of different stickers, and right here you can easily find that temperature sticker. You can just tap on that to place current temperature over your snap. Then you can move it around, you can position it wherever you want, you can scale it by pinching just like that. And basically that's all about how to add your current temperature on Snapchat. If you have any questions about that tutorial, write down in the comments below. Hit the like button if you liked that video, and see you in the next one.